Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a shop with me at JoAnns. They're putting all their Christmas merchandise out and I wanted to show you what I found. They did have a 50% off this weekend and I just wanted to show you because a lot of times people think JoAnns is kind of expensive, but on top of that they also had a coupon if you downloaded the app. I overheard somebody talking about it in the store, so I did that. And I was able to get an extra like $7 or $8 off of my purchase. Plus, I was able to use it on the sale items and on a couple clearance items too, on everything. So I wanted to say that, and I also wanted to say that this weekend there is another holiday coming up. It will be Veterans Day weekend, and I don't know if they'll run the same type of sale, but it's probably possible that they will run another sale because I really love their merchandise, and I know that a lot of people think that sometimes it's maybe expensive, but you can get some good sales if you watch. I'm sure some of you know that already. I love these bowls. I wanted to show these to you in the varying sizes and the coasters there. The one that is the largest is $49.99 retail. Here are a couple more beautiful hanging signs. I love this sled with the galvanized tin runners painted in the red. See the nice little star on top? Have yourself a merry little Christmas. The Christmas tree is beautiful too. They have lots of different styles of tins. This is like a station wagon instead of the red truck. Has the wood on the side in that picture. I remember those from when I was young. You don't see those anymore. I don't make them like that. And there's a gingerbread. This black star, they have some Scandinavian style merchandise that's what I would call it, that they're getting in. That star lights up. And then this is a nice candle holder in the same style. They also have this little reindeer, and he's very heavy. I want to say this is iron or it's some kind of metal, and it's spray painted black. And that's a nice, it's a heavy piece, it's not a light piece. They also have this nice banner, advent calendar banner, as well as this nice pillow. These ceramic trees are $24.99 for the larger one, and then they are $19.99 for the smaller one that you see there. So when I do a video and I've gotten an extra percentage off and I cannot get the video up on that weekend to tell you in time for the sale, I always feel bad. I do have real life. I cannot always get everything done as quickly as I would like to. So that's why I was telling you, to look for next weekend and see what kind of sale they might be running next weekend and remind you that it was a holiday because if you missed this past weekend sale, I don't want you to have to miss another one. That tag sign is $19.99. The little green plaid on the side there. It's very pretty. I also like that one. It says 'tis the season to be jolly. This joy sign with the beads and the lamb's ear is also very nice. I liked that one. They really had a lot of nice signs, like this Fresh Baked Daily Holiday Baking Company. That one was cute. This barn that you can count down the days till Christmas. This welcome sign with the little greenery on the top and the buffalo check bow. That was a very nice sign too. They had a lot of nice Santa Clauses, kind of giving you a little bit of a look there at what they had. And then they also had one, check this out, buffalo check Santa. Yep, even Santa is now wearing buffalo check. So I thought that was cute, and I just thought that I would show that to you. They have some really nice DIY pieces here. These come in 3 different sizes. I wanted to show those to you. I'm also really loving this Scandinavian style lanterns they have here. I thought those were really nice. And I am loving this simplicity stuff. I had to put this in here. I have not seen this. And of course I remember my mother sewing with her simplicity patterns when I was young. I know they still make them, but I really loved this stuff and I am seriously considering going back and picking up something for myself because I really think they're neat. Okay, so back to Christmas now. Here are some nice large pieces for outdoor or indoor. I'm loving this arrangement with the orange slices in it. This one retails for $39.99. And then they have a smaller one here. This one does not have orange slices in it though. Those are in the Crocs. I'm loving these wood pieces with the pine cones in them. Those are adorable. And these wooden trees here run $30 or $29.99, I should say. Again, here, this is more of what I would call the Scandinavian style, maybe farmhouse. I'm saying Scandinavian farmhouse style that they've gotten in. And that is, of course, that says Joy. And then they have some of these black lanterns down here in the house style. I liked these. These were some neat signs. So these retail for $29.99. And they have the various sayings on them. The other thing I wanted to show you were the dish towels or tea towels, whatever you call them. They had different styles of those. It's just a quick shot of that. They also had some nice paper products also. And if you've watched this video to the end, I really, really appreciate it. Wanted to let you know that. If you liked it, you can give it a thumbs up. You can subscribe if you'd like to see more. I will be making more videos. And I will see you in the next, well, actually, no, you won't see me because you never see me, right? So anyways, until next time, have a good week.